Hello guys. I'm busy with revision mathematics paper 1. Question 1. Solve for A. And then you are given an equation A equal A plus 64 over A equals to 16. What you have to know about this equation is that you have A here as a lowest common denominator, right? Because if I divide by 1 on this A and divide by 1 on the right side on the 16, it's still gonna be the lowest common denominator is still gonna be 1, right? So what you have to do here, how do you have to approach this equation? You have to know that your A is your lowest common denominator. Then you're going to multiply everything on this equation by A. So you're going to put A and say into brackets plus 64 over A. These brackets for everything. Then 16 times A. Sorry there. Okay, then it's equals to 16 times A. It's 16A, right? So here you're going to say A times A is A squared. Then what is A times 64 over A? The A here will cancel this A. You're going to be left with plus 64. And then now on the right side you have 16A. Right. So now you're going to take this you're going to take 16A on the right side and take it to the left side, and then it's going to be negative 16A. So I'm going to rewrite A squared first. A squared first, and then negative 16A to the left, then plus 64 equals to 0. Then now you factorize here. Okay, here it's 6. So now you factorize. So the factors of this equation is going to be like this. Okay, A times A is its okay, let's do this. So A times A is x is A squared. A times A is A squared. So the numbers here and here, when you multiply them, they must give you 64. When you add them, they must give you negative 16. So what are the factors of 64? The factors of 64 are negative 8 and negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 8 will give us positive 64. But negative 8 here and negative 8 here will give us negative 16. So we're going to have negative 8, negative 8. As I said, that A times A is A squared. Negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. Then negative 8 minus 8 is negative 16. So those are the factors of this equation right here. Right, after finding the factors, and then now we've got 8 minus A minus 8. A minus 8. We're going to have one value of A. which is just going to be 8 minus 8 equals to 8. And then now we continue and solve. We're going to have a minus 8 equals to 0, then 8. Okay, so now here you are solving for a. You take this 8 to that side, it becomes a positive. Then it's going to be, it's just going to be a is equals to 8, right? Then how do you prove that the answer is correct? How do you prove that the answer is correct? Okay, what you do is that you take your final answer here, your a equals to 8. You put where you see on the equation, original equation that you were given, where you see a, you put 8, and then where you see a, you put 8. 8 into 64 goes 8 times. 64 divided by 8, right? I got you say, right? You say 64 divided by 8, where a is where you see a, you put 8 right here. And now it's 64 divided by 8 plus 8, it's equals to 66. That I mean is equals to 16. That is how you prove your a value, that you got it correct or not. Yeah, I'm done. I hope this will be useful. Excuse me where I was just mixing words or something like that.